Did you know that the Super Bowl isn't just the biggest sporting event of the year, but also a goldmine for smart investors? Every year, billions of dollars flow through the hands of advertisers, sponsors, and the entertainment industry. What if I told you there's a way for you to grab a slice of this pie, no matter how much money you have to invest? Stick around, because in this video, I'm going to reveal the untapped investment opportunities hidden in the Super Bowl hype, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. The Super Bowl is much more than just a game. It's an economic powerhouse. Companies pay over $7 million for just 30 seconds of ad time during the game. Think about that. Why are companies willing to spend so much? Because millions of eyes are glued to their screens. This creates a ripple effect in industries like advertising, tech, beverages, and even crypto. And here's the best part. You can actually profit from all this, and it's easier than you think. In this video, I'll break down which industries and stocks benefit the most from Super Bowl hype and how you can position yourself to ride the wave. Let's start with advertising-driven stocks. Brands like Google, YouTube, and Meta Facebook rake in billions through ads related to the Super Bowl. Did you know that searches for ads spike by over 300% during the game? Now, imagine if you owned a piece of that action through stock investments. Even better, companies like Amazon and Netflix capitalize on this traffic surge to promote their own content. Here's a question for you. Do you think digital ads will eventually replace traditional TV commercials? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. The next big winners. The beverage and snack industry. Companies like PepsiCo and Coca-Cola experience a massive sales surge during the Super Bowl season. In fact, Super Bowl weekend alone accounts for millions of dollars in snack sales. If you're wondering how to capitalize, consider investing in consumer goods ETFs or directly in these companies' stocks. Here's something surprising. Over 60% of households stock up on snacks just for game night. That's a goldmine for these companies. Here's an unexpected fact. Tech companies also win big during the Super Bowl. Think about it. Streaming platforms like Hulu, YouTube, and Tubi TV experience record-breaking viewership spikes. If you've ever wondered which stocks to buy, tech giants like Alphabet, Google, Disney, and Roku are worth watching. Did you know Tubi TV alone got over 100,000 searches in the last 24 hours? Imagine the revenue they're making from increased ad impressions. But wait, here's something that will shock you. Most Super Bowl ads actually lose money. Yes, you heard that right. Companies gamble millions, hoping to make it back through brand awareness. Here's a quick challenge. If you think spending $7 million for 30 seconds is worth it, hit the like button right now. And if you think it's a waste, let us know in the comments below. Your opinion matters. Let's talk about celebrities and halftime shows. Did you know that every artist performing at the Super Bowl sees their streams skyrocket by over 300% after the show? For example, Rihanna's streams doubled within 24 hours of her halftime performance. This opens up opportunities to invest in entertainment companies and even in funds tied to the music industry. Quick question for you. Who do you think should perform at next year's Super Bowl halftime? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget about merchandise. Super Bowl jerseys, hats, and memorabilia rake in millions every year. If you're into short-term profits, consider looking into retail stocks tied to the NFL or sports merchandise. One of the biggest players in this space is Fanatics, a company dominating the sports merchandise market. Fun fact: during last year's Super Bowl, Fanatics sold over $100 million worth of products in just one weekend. Imagine the possibilities if you invested in companies like this. Here's a question that could spark a great debate. Do you think Super Bowl hype is just a bubble, or is it a long-term investment opportunity? Share your perspective in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video if you found even one idea useful so far. So, whether it's ad-driven tech stocks, consumer goods, or even entertainment ETFs, the Super Bowl offers more opportunities than you might think. But remember, timing is everything. Don't wait too long to act, because opportunities like these are seasonal and disappear fast. If you're serious about learning more strategies like these, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. And if you have any other questions, drop them below. We might feature your comment in our next video.